Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I'm excited. I got my silver swag box. This box is for November, and this is a very special box. Y'all, I get this each month. It's sent to me from the sisters that make the box, and that is Brandy and Ashley. And I have a code where you can save $15 off your first order, and that's CATS15. I'll have it in the description and I'll put it in the title. I usually do that. If I ever forget anything like that and you're interested, just let me know. This box is $49.99 a month, and that does include the shipping. And this box is, it says right here, special delivery. And it's just a fantastic box. It's usually based around a theme. Oh, I'm shaking the camera, I apologize for that. I should say, did I say, hey, this is Mary and welcome to my channel? I'm just excited to see it. I'm excited to see it. Because my shipping information wasn't coming through on it, so I'm just happy to see it. This box is made by two sisters that was made for their family, for their aunt when COVID started and they couldn't see their aunt. So it is a way of staying connected with your family. And even now, you know, you may not be able to get across country or whatever the case might be to see some loved ones. And also this box is a great box just for yourself. It really is, y'all. There's usually a fun activity in here. There's a home item or holiday decor, personal care items, treats, gadgets, fun things. There's a stay connected card. So when your loved one gets this or you get it, there's a card in there that you can make conversation with your family around the dinner table or around your Thanksgiving meal or your holiday meal, or even on the phone with somebody that you're talking to. It's just a wonderful family box. And it, even though it's called Silver Swag, it was made initially to send to their senior aunt. It's really for everybody. Every adult would like this box. And I wanted to read you their mission. It says, our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun you want one for yourself. And that's really the truth. And then what they do to get these boxes out to us, they have a packing party with their family and friends. They come over, they pack together and have a good time. So it is nicely taped, and I did cut that so I could get into it, but I have not looked inside. And on Instagram, you may see, and Facebook, they're on both. You may see some spoilers, but I really haven't. I've been so busy this last month, I really haven't seen any spoilers. So when you open the box, it's always packed nicely, and it says Hello November. Pretty sticker on there. And let me get, oh, it smells good. I can smell something that smells really good in there. You get that open. Oops. And then we have, right off the bat, we have our cards to start us with. And this month's theme is sweater weather. So it says Silver Swag Box presents sweater weather. And see, even their cards are so beautiful. Every single thing they do with this box is thought of. It's really thought of, and they really do a fantastic job. Look how pretty this card is, y'all. And then on the back of this card are the stay connected questions. Sweater weather is here, and we love heading outside for fun fall activities. How many of these items did you do growing up? How many do you still enjoy? Talk about your favorite fall traditions. So there's go pumpkin or apple picking, then make yummy treats. You know, they're asking you some questions here. Visit a haunted house, that type of thing. So that is on this card. And then this card says, thanks for being a part of Silver Swag Box. And this is the card that tells us what's inside, and it explains things to us. So that if you're not sure, you know, you want to know the name of something or whatever. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 7 items in here, and this is so cute. The first thing on top is this super cute. Look how cute that is, y'all. It says this side is terry, and you can see it's stitched. This is nice and thick. It is, I don't know if that's, something smells fabulous. It says insulated pot holder. It's machine wash warm and tumble dry warm. So that is nice. So you can take something out of the oven with this. You could put this on your table and put a pot on top, you know, or on a coffee table or something. If you have a snack or something that is going to be warm and that will protect your table. That is very cute. Let's see what it says about that. Silver Swag Box exclusive. Keep hands safe while holiday baking with this cute pot holder made just for Silver Swag Box. It is super, super cute. I love it, and it's great that it's washable. And the next thing I'm seeing is big. Well, I'm seeing something small first. Let me grab this out because I had to get this out to get the other thing out. This is what I'm smelling, I think. This is, let me show you to you right quick and then I'll read it. It says Wildwood Hot Apple Cider Mulling Spice Tea Bags. Add to fresh apple cider. Oh, I love that. I love mulled cider at parties at like Thanksgiving and Christmas time. This is Wildwood Specialty Foods Mulling Spice Blend. There's pumpkin or apple. Why choose when you can have both in one blend? Oh, wow. Okay. There's 8 tea bags in here. You can make mulled wine. It tells you what you need to make mulled wine. It tells you what you need to make a hot apple cranberry cider. It has directions for that. And it has directions, you heat 8 ounces of fresh apple cider, do not boil, and drop 1 tea bag into the hot cider. And the longer it steeps, the stronger it will be. So let me, it's got a sticker on it. Oh, it smells fabulous. It smells fabulous. Let's see what they look like. Here comes Smudge, of course, because he sees one of his favorite boxes. Now, Smudge. Okay, this is what they look like. Y'all, this smells so good. That will be fantastic in cider. And you know, if you're not a person that likes cider, can't imagine why you wouldn't, but some people don't. You can put this, in a little pot of water on the stove, and it will brew and make your house smell fantastic too. There he is. There he is. Okay, okay, Smudge. Let me get that. Let me get that out. All right, let me get this out, and then he's probably going to get in that box. Okay, next I see this very nicely packaged item. Okay, Smudge, you can get in, but let me move that away from you. Ooh. Okay, there's a couple of things in here. Let's see. This says, that is so cute. This is a Sincere Surroundings coaster magnet. Bring a little rustic charm to your fall decor with this charming sweater weather magnet and coaster. So it is a magnet, so you can put that on your fridge or file cabinet at work or something. It says sweater weather is better weather. But it's also a coaster. So I think it's wood. So you can put a hot cup on it, or, you know, this would fit also in your car, car's, you know, spots for drinks, and that would soak up any spill, or, you know, the sweating of the bottle or something like that. That's so cute. I love it. Okay, and then this was inside that styrofoam. Oh, is this cute? This is a cute mug. It says sweater weather on it. It says it on both sides. This is really cute, y'all. It's big. It's by Sweetwater Decor. Let me show you that. And look at how, can you see, it's a nice wide, it's bigger than the average coffee mug. So you can have hot chocolate in here. You could have your apple cider mold in here. That is really cute. I don't know if you can see this because, yeah, you can see the speckles on this. It's a white colored mug, and then it has speckles on it. Very cozy looking. So that is cozy up around the fire with this. Oh, it's 16 ounces. I knew it was big. I love, the bigger the better for me for my cappuccino. So I'm excited about this mug. 16 ounce ceramic mug. Dishwasher and microwave safe, even better. So that is nice and big. I love that. Sweater weather, that's what it is. It's time for sweater weather. Ooh, there's more in here. Ooh, oh my goodness, y'all. There's this cute little, this is so cute. Honey, let's see what that is. Honey Access, let me show it to you. I tended not to, Smudge got in there, so now there's fuzz in there. There's this cute little jar, and it's Honey Acres Incorporated. Since 1852, it says cinnamon honey spread. I'm gonna love this. Laura's whipped cinnamon honey, the perfect addition to a cup of hot tea or a pumpkin pie scone. Oh my, y'all, let's open it. It does have a nice seal on it. I love this jar. You know, this jar you can use for so many things when you're done with the honey. You can put pins in here. Oh, it smells delish. It smells cinnamony and honey. You can see, you know, it's a nice thick, so you can spread this on toast. Oh, that would be so good on toast. It says you can put it in tea. You do the different things. You know, it's honey with cinnamon. But I would use it on toast. I think it would be fantastic on toast with a nice hot cup of tea or a nice apple cider. Yummy, yummy. Okay, that smells delicious. And then, oh, we have more. We have more. I almost passed this up. I pulled this out of there because of smudge. This got untied. This is, you know, the ladies, this says sweater weather on it. They really, like I said, they really think everything out. They really do. This is adorable. Whatever it is, it's adorable. Look at this cute burlap sack and this orange tie. It says Dr. Pete's in silver swag box, pumpkin pie scone mix. They just were talking about scones. I love scones, y'all. Oh, is that cute? Manufactured by Dr. Pete's Gourmet Foods in Georgia, in Ailey, Georgia, I think. And there's a website, dr-peets.com. You'll need 1 cup of whipping cream and flour for rolling the dough. Preheat the oven to 400. That is fantastic, y'all. Scones, a pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. I'm so excited. I say things wrong. Pumpkin pie scone mix. I'm so excited for that. So that goes perfectly with the honey, with the cinnamon honey. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about that. It says, nothing says fall like the aroma of pumpkin treats. Definitely. Whip these up for a fast fall treat. Oh my goodness. And it's just super, super cute. Super cute. And then the last thing in this box just makes me so happy. Can you tell, y'all? Can you tell? This is Love and Repeat, it says. Plaid oversized scarf. It's in this bag. Let me open it. The essential accessory never goes out of style. Perfect for cool fall days and cold winter nights. So this, all right, nice bag. Let me open it. I guess I was a little too not nice to Smudge because he left. Y'all, this is soft. This feels like cashmere. This is soft. You know, some scarves are scratchy. Not this one. Not this one. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the edging. Let's see how big this is. Plaid oversized scarf. So this, okay. It looks almost like a blanket. You know, a thin blanket. This would be great to keep in the car to put on your legs while you're driving. You go for a nice ride and see the leaves, and go at Christmas time to go see the lights. You could put this on your legs. I think that you could do so many things with this scarf. I think this is the kind of scarf that if you're going to wear it as a scarf, you might put it, you know, triangular. It's so big I can't even show you how big it is. And wrap it around your shoulders. It'll be great. This would be great if you go to the movies, take with you. I like to carry things like that when you're going to go somewhere and you're not sure. It might be cold. You might be sitting at the doctor's office and you get chilly, and this is in your bag, and you can put it around you. So you can, you know, you can do all. I'm not a good person that can tie the fancy scarves and all that. I can't do all that. But this is so soft and comfortable. And you can put it on your head too, you know, if you need to. You're outside and all of a sudden it's getting brisky. You have this in the car and you can wrap it around and, you know, keep the air off of you. So, I never ever wanted anything on my head most of my life. But when I was be walking Buddy at night in the cold, the last couple of years, I started to get really cold and I'd have to wear things on my head. And this would be perfect to wrap around my head. That is beautiful. I messed up my hair, but my hair, I need a haircut so bad, y'all. So I'm getting one soon. So that is so beautiful. I love the colors. It's just very traditional and can go with so many things. That's what I love about it. It can go with everything. So we have that gorgeous oversized scarf. We have the sweater weather mug. So sorry about my hair, y'all. We have this fantastic, I can't wait to make the pumpkin pie scone mix. And the vanilla, the cinnamon honey spread. I'm going to be having that like Sunday morning with toast. The hot apple cider mulling spices, yum, yum. The adorable I'm going to put this on my refrigerator, but you can use this as a coaster. It says sweater weather is better weather. Look how cute it is with the pumpkins. I love it. And this wonderful hot plate type of a thing. You can use this to take things out of the oven, and also, like I said, you can put this at your coffee table and then put your nice big mug on top of it to keep your coffee table safe. So this is these women, they hit it out of the park every month. Brandy and Ashley are their names. They will talk to you personally. If you have any questions at all, just ask them. They will be happy to do anything, they'd be happy to talk with you and help you out. If you have any questions, they also make specialty boxes, go to their website, because this is the time of year we all are thinking about Christmas. Go to their website, because you might want to order a box that you can send to a family member or friend or yourself. And if you can't get them a monthly box, you can send them a one-off type box. And like I said, they have specialty boxes and different things you can choose from. So, and you probably could email them and say, hey, I have this in mind. Do you have any products that you can make up a box like this for my mom, for my grandmother, for my grandfather, or whoever the case might be? Or like I said, for yourself, for your family, for your husband, for your wife. So thanks so much for stopping by to see this box. I love it. I feel so much like fall right now with all these beautiful things. It just, the colors and everything is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Ashley and Brandy. I absolutely love everything, and I can't thank you enough for this box. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Happy Thanksgiving.